Your laptop turns off immediately when you unplug the charger. The battery shows charging but does not work without power. This is not magic and not a motherboard failure yet. I am a technician, and today I will show you real, proven fixes. Welcome to Tech Vibes. Listen carefully. When a laptop works only on charger, the issue is related to battery power delivery. Step 1. Check battery health properly. In Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type Power CFG charge battery report. Press Enter and open the generated report. If the difference between design capacity and full charge capacity is large, the battery is weak. A weak battery cannot supply stable voltage, so the laptop shuts down. Step 2. Inspect battery connector and flex cable. Many laptops use removable internal batteries. A loose battery connector is a very common issue. Dust or oxidation can block power flow. Disconnect the battery, clean the connector gently, and reconnect it firmly. Technicians fix this issue daily. Step 3. Reset the battery controller, shut down the laptop completely, unplug the charger, disconnect the battery, hold the power button for 30 seconds. This resets the embedded controller. Reconnect the battery, plug in the charger, and test again. Step 4. Check charger wattage. If charger wattage is lower than required, the battery will not discharge properly. Always use the original charger. Step 5. Update BIOS firmware. Old BIOS can cause battery detection errors. Always download BIOS from the official brand website. Update BIOS carefully while the charger is connected. Step 6. Replace the battery if nothing else works. Dead battery cells cannot be repaired by software. Use original or high-quality compatible batteries only. Important warning. Do not ignore this issue. A failing battery can damage the charging IC and motherboard. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. Like the video, share it, and stay connected for real tech solutions.